Hello these friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to heat apply this ultra soft heat transfer that I received from Transfer Express. The link is going to be in the description box. It's really pretty and it's really easy to apply. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. To start, we are going to cut our mask. I'm not going to go really slow on cutting the mask. I have a tutorial on how to make this face mask, so I just want to start with you. So if you don't know about how to cut the mask, refer to the other tutorial. The link is going to be in the description box. So I had this part cut and I already cut the second part. So right here is up to you. If you want to add one more layer, you can just cut another white. So let's move to the heat press. I'm gonna add this cut to the mask and this is ultra soft. So to change the temperature, we are going to swing away. There's 3 buttons right here. This one in the middle says mode, so we're gonna click that and we are going to set it to 290. So just it has like a minus and a plus buttons, so you're just gonna hit the minus. 290. We're gonna set the mode. I'm gonna do 13 seconds just because I'm applying it on polyester. And then we're gonna click one more. Okay, so I have the right temperature right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat just for 2 or 3 seconds. We're going to open it back. I have my design and I want to set it around here. I want it to be in between these 2 lines, so and right there. Right there is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cover sheet. And we are going to heat it for 13 seconds. And it's all done. This is a cold peel, so we're gonna have to wait till it gets cold. And do you guys see how easy it is? I am really excited. We're gonna wait a little bit, then I'm gonna peel it off when it's cold. And I'm going to finish my mask. So this is going to be it for today. So if you are interested on learn how to make the mask, the link is gonna be in the description below. And let's wait for this to cool down, okay? Okay, so it's nice and cold. It's supposed to be cold to the touch. So let's see. Look at how beautiful it is. You're gonna be able to see the face mask on the thumbnail for the video, but it's really nice and it was really easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, subscribe, leave me your comments, and let's continue to learn. Until next time, thank you.